Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Just a minute. Just tell me whether it is visible or not. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's
It is
visible, sir.
visible. Okay. So today we will, by the way, tell me, do you know what is the meaning of component of vector? If
No,
for,
sir.
okay.
So that's
Little bit you know now. Okay. Because I already teach this topic. This topic is very, very important. So you can write component of vector and I will explain this topic.
yes, sir.
For example, if we are having, this is x and y, clear?
Yes,
X-axis
sir.
and y-axis. And if you take any position vector, for example, this is any point P, whose coordinate is x comma y, and its position vector with respect to origin. This is the position vector. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And it is denoted by OP vector, which is equal to R vector. So OP is the position vector of a point P with respect to O. Clear? So with respect to
Yes, sir.
O means O is the reference. With respect to O, this P is located where? At x comma y. So what is x? What is y? Just see here. This is x comma y. X, y, axis. And this is the OP vector. X comma y. Then x means what? This is x. This is y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If this OM is x, PM is y, then how much OP? OP
OP
is
is
under
root
root
of x square y square.
x square plus y square. So this under root x square plus y square is the magnitude of this OP vector. OP vector is what? Now see,
Oh,
this OP is making some angle theta with the x-axis. Clear? So in triangle OPM, can you tell me like how much this OM?
OM equals OP square, root of OP square minus PM square.
No, no, no. I'm asking, for example, this is a triangle OPM and this is theta. Y, X, and this is under root x square plus y square. So this OP is how much? Let us suppose this cos theta. Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. So what is base? Opposite to
OM.
uh, opposite to theta is, this is perpendicular. Opposite to 90-degree side, hypotenuse, and whatever remaining is base. Clear? So
Yes,
according to
sir.
this triangle OPM, tell me what is base? OM,
Yes, sir.
that is x. Hypotenuse is under root x square plus y square. Can I take this OP?
Yes, sir.
So OP is how much? Sorry, x is how much? OP cos theta, equation 1. Clear? In the similar
Yes,
way,
sir.
can you tell me what is y? Apply. Sin theta is what? Perpendicular by,
Perpendicular by hypotenuse.
already I have explained these topics. Then what is perpendicular? Y.
PM.
Very good. PM is y. Hypotenuse is OP. Then how much y? OP sin theta. Equation second. So just now we calculated what is x, what is y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. This is O. This is the position vector. Clear? If this is
Yes, sir.
theta, then how much OM? OP cos theta. How much PM? OP sin theta. X or Y, simply I'm asking. Clear? This is X. This is Y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just now we have calculated. Can I say this is also Y? This is also Y.
Yes, sir.
Take this is C. X axis or Y axis. Don't confuse. This X is different. This Y is different. Clear? This X axis I am denoting X, capital X, capital Y. Clear? This X is the value of OM. Y is the value of PM. What is the coordinate? X comma Y. But I just want to write. Now tell me. I want to write the position vector. Position vector OP. Then in vector, this position vector is made up of what? See, if this OP is going in this direction, if this OP is going in this direction, its projection on x-axis is what? OM. This is the projection on x-axis. If this OP is going in this direction, then projection of this vector on x-axis is just drop a perpendicular like this, then you will get the projection. Similarly, the projection on y-axis means drop a perpendicular from P on y-axis. This y is the projection. For example, this pan. If you put any light from this side, you will see the shadow on x-axis. Here, if you put any
Yes, sir.
light from here, then you will see the shadow on x-axis. Similarly, if you put a light from this side, you will see the shadow on y-axis. Clear? You have noticed in your shadow also in during noon also, like did you notice like shadow?
Yes, sir.
So this understand this OP is going in this direction. The position vector is in this direction. It is going continuously. So its shadow, one shadow will move in x-axis, one shadow will move in
No, yeah.
y-axis. So can I say this complete shadow, this OP shadow is made up of its child shadow?
Yes, sir.
Basically, this OP vector, if I want to write, it means what? Horizontal vector, clear, plus what? Vertical,
Vertical vector.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Horizontal vector means this shadow on x-axis. Vertical means shadow on y-axis.
Y-axis.
If I ask you write down the horizontal vector, then in vector what is needed? One magnitude, one direction. So horizontal, see the horizontal portion this. So magnitude is how much? OM, that is x. Clear? Now direction.
Yes,
If this OP vector is moving in this direction, then one shadow will move in this direction. See, this OP is going in this direction, and shadow will go on x-axis, it will go in this direction. On y-axis, it will go in this direction. Are you able to imagine?
yes, sir.
If this OP is going in this direction, then its shadow on x-axis will go in this direction, and shadow on y-axis on. Clear? When you are moving in the sunlight, then you are looking, your shadow is also moving with respect to you. Clear? So similarly
Yes,
here,
sir.
when this OP vector is moving in this direction, its shadow on the x-axis, it will move in this direction. Shadow on y-axis will move in this direction. So tell me, this shadow is moving in which direction? X-axis. Clear?
Axis.
So x-axis
Yes.
direction will be, it is denoted by I vector.
I,
And y component, or we can say that shadow on y-axis will be y into j. This is the
J.
position vector. I, j, k are the unit vector. This I, j, k are the unit vector. It will tell us the direction. Here, for example, this shadow whose magnitude on x-axis is x, and it is moving in which direction? Along x-axis. I means x-axis. Along
Axis.
y-axis, it is having how
J.
much magnitude? Y. It is moving in which direction? J. So this is the way you should write any position vector. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is x here? X is OP cos theta. What is y? OP sin theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just now I have solved. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If
Sir,
anyone,
this
yes,
not
please.
in this one, but this k cap is representing z vector. So how can z vector be seen on some
Z
graphs,
vector.
sir?
Z.
I mean, yes, sir, sir. J is showing that z, sir. So where can the z axis be seen on the graph, sir?
Graph. Okay. This is 2D shape. That is why I'm not able to show you the Z axis. But if you want to see Z axis, just draw any 3D shape like this. See, this is the origin. This is X. This is Y. Or you can say this is Z. This is Y. Clear? Now you are able
Yes,
to
sir.
see where is Z.
Yes, sir.
I am talking about only this 2D plane. Because in your
Hmm.
syllabus, only 2D plane is sufficient like for you. 3D you will learn in class 12. Okay. So any doubt?
No other doubts, sir.
So this if x by y, if I calculated y by x, then what you will get? What is y? OP sin theta, OP cos theta. Then tan theta is what? Y by x. Now what is theta? What is the meaning of this theta? You can write this theta. Theta tell the direction of vector. Anybody is asking what is the direction of vector? Theta will tell. And theta is what? Theta is also known as slope in mass. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Little bit actual, because in today's topic I want to use this. That is why only I want to explain this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Basic values cos 45, you know, sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 half.
Yes. Yes,
Okay, if
sir.
I ask you, for example, this is the origin and this is the OP, this is root 2. This vector is at 45 degree with the x-axis. Can you tell me what is the horizontal component and vertical component of this vector?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. If they are asking horizontal component, what is that?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, OP is root 2, sir.
OP is root 2, yes.
Sir, vertical component is 1, sir.
Okay.
Using vertical component, we can find horizontal component, which will also be 1.
Okay. So you are getting what? Horizontal component is how much?
1, sir.
Okay, very nice. This is 1.
Yes, sir.
This is,
Using that, I found out the vertical component also.
okay, this is also 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. This is 1 means this is 1. Then only it is root 2. Now, if they are asking what is how to write the OP vector, horizontal component SCV plus vertical component of vector. So horizontal component just now you have calculated 1. In which direction 1 is?
I
Very good. In which direction 1 is? Vertical component.
J.
So you should write OP vector is I plus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if somebody asks what is the direction of this vector, you should say direction is theta. Theta is how much? 45 degree from x-axis. Clear? This is the direction. Clear?
I don't understand why from x-axis.
Because here I have drawn na 45 degree from x-axis.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Clear? Now if I ask you one more question. See, anti-clockwise theta. If theta I am measuring anti-clockwise, you will take positive, and clockwise negative. Did you see like this sign? Anti-clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now give me the answer. This is root 2. This is 45. Tell me the horizontal and vertical component. Now our vector is like this. This is OP. 45. This is 45. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Simply, very easy question. Should I solve?
Minus I minus j, sir.
Very good. This is X. This is Y. Now see, if horizontal component means just drop a perpendicular on x-axis. Just now forget minus plus here. This is 1, this is 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if they are asking a vector, OP vector, okay. Then if this vector, this OP vector, if it is going in this direction, then its shadow, this shadow, one shadow will go up in this direction, one shadow will go in this direction. Clear?
This direction.
Then on x-axis, shadow on x-axis is 1. It will move in which direction? Minus x.
In horizontal.
Very good. Shadow on y-axis is how much?
Minus
It
j.
will move in which direction?
Minus j.
Minus j, y minus j,
Because it is going in that clockwise.
clockwise.
Sir, I'm getting confused, sir. In x-axis, it's going clockwise. In y-axis, it is going
Clockwise, forget.
anti-clockwise.
Just view, see here. If this vector is going in this direction. Clear? Then the shadow, if this vector will go, its shadow will also move in this direction.
Yes, sir.
And shadow on y-axis, this is a shadow on y-axis, it will move in this direction.
Yes, sir.
Then simply write shadow on y-axis how much? 1. Direction is clear. Shadow on y-axis 1, it is moving in which direction? J. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking simply OP vector. I'm not asking any direction right now. So minus I plus J. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this 45 degrees in this direction. Can you see? Clockwise. So you can say this theta is 45 degree clockwise. Clear?
Yes, sir.
They won't ask much deep to you, like they won't ask in depth in regard to that. I'm simply saying if anything is being asked, for example, if I ask you like this, this is P. So if this is 45 and this vector is going in this direction, clear? Can you tell me horizontal and vertical, or simply write OP vector? Can you write
Uh,
this vector is going in this direction? Okay.
yes,
Then
sir.
see the shadow on x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So shadow on x-axis. Drop a perpendicular on x-axis. The shadow will be
Sir, I minus J, sir.
what?
I minus J.
Very good. I minus j. Very good. Shadow on y-axis. This shadow on when this vector is moving, its shadow, one shadow will go in this direction, one shadow will go in this direction. Imagine. Then this OP is, this is root 2. Then you just told 1 multiply shadow on x-axis will move in this I direction. 1 multiply shadow will move in this direction minus x-axis. So I minus, this is what you have told now.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. This concept is clear.
Yes, sir. It's
So
clear.
this is known as splitting of vector. You just split this entire vector into its shadow. This is one component of vector. This is one component of vector. This is known as horizontal component of vector. This is known as vertical component of vector. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Is this clear? Because
Yes, sir.
these
Clear.
things, like already have explained when I am teaching there, I think components of vector, but just for
Till
reading
null
my
vector you completed, sir.
what?
Till null vectors you completed.
I think splitting also have, but in your class maybe it is not done.
Mm-hmm. No, sir.
Okay. Now we will start velocity in plane mirror. And it's a very easy topic and everyone can understand. For example, this is our plane mirror and meeting will be ended, I think, within 10 minutes or 5 minutes. You will just join next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the plane mirror. And what is the characteristics of plane mirror? If you place any object 2 meter or 5 meter from the mirror, then its image will be 5 meter back. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
5 meter here. I think this is clear. Custom. So if the object is 5 meter, then image will be 5 meter. Now imagine if object is going and now this object is 4 meter, then image will be
4 meter.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Now if object is 2 meter or 3 meter, then image will be
3 meters.
very good. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now did you notice one thing? If this object displays initially it is 5 meter, initially this object is 5 meter. If this object is going like this, then image is coming like this.
No, sir.
Do you notice?
Yes, sir.
This object is, by the way, in every 1 second, this object is displaced. How much? 1 meter. From 5 to 4, then how much displacement? 1 meter.
1 meter.
Similar displacement is done by image. Do you notice this?
Yes, sir.
So if object is, listen, I'm talking about when object, when our mirror is at rest. Mirror is not moving, clear? Mirror is
Yes,
not
sir.
moving. If object displays in this direction, then image will displace in this direction. Is it clear? If
Yes, sir.
object is moving at 5 meter per second, then image will move. The velocity of object is 5 into I cap, then velocity of image will be 5 into minus I. Clear?
Nice.
Or we can
Yes, sir.
say if both are moving on a one dimension plane. So I can write like this also, velocity of object is 5, then velocity of image will be minus 5.
-5.
So minus is indicating the direction only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Now listen. Initially our mirror is at rest. All these things. So can I say the velocity of object is minus of velocity of image? Can we say?
Yes, sir.
If object is, for example, if in case of plane mirror, clear? And this velocity is, can you see like this is the mirror? This velocity is perpendicular to the mirror. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes,
This
sir.
velocity is perpendicular to the mirror. Clear? So, write like this. Clear? If
Yes,
object
sir.
moves 5 meter per second with respect to mirror perpendicular, then image will be moved how much? Same but perpendicular. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So remember this, all the things what I am writing here, this is with respect to mirror. Mirror is at rest. That is why we will not consider the velocity of mirror. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now in some cases, for example, this formula, write down this formula here. You can write mirror is at rest. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And what is this? You can write VO perpendicular means you can write velocity of object write this velocity of object perpendicular to the mirror surface. Mirror surface. Clear? And what is this? VI perpendicular velocity of image did you write?
Yes, sir.
Velocity of image perpendicular to the mirror surface. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now, if the mirror, for example, this is the mirror and this is the object and this is the image. I'm talking about only perpendicular. Clear? Object is going in this direction and image is going in this direction. Clear? Now, if in this case, the mirror not at rest, if mirror is not at rest, same formula. But what I explain, velocity you need to take with respect to mirror. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
And it always be perpendicular. Clear? Perpendicular. Now, how to open this? Velocity of VOM, VO minus VM. Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir. Now I'm confused, sir. I don't understand.
Listen. Velocity of object. How to read this? Just write down the meaning of this. Velocity of object with respect to mirror. Write down. This is what? Velocity of object with respect to mirror. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is VIM? Write down. Velocity of image. Velocity of image with respect to mirror. So whenever I am saying with respect to means, where is my observer? Do you know the train and the observer is standing at the, I give one example like train, in the train,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ABC observer are there and one observer is at the station. So with respect to different observer, velocity will be different. Did I explain this topic or not?
You explained it, sir.
Frame of reference. I have explained now. So
Yes, sir.
similar here. If I say velocity of object with respect to mirror means velocity of object as seen from the mirror surface. Now where is my observer? Observer is here on the mirror surface. Clear? And he is looking the object and he is looking the image. So according to this, what is the velocity? That is VOM. And how to open this? VO minus VM. Write first VO minus VM. Similarly here, VI, VM,
Minus V.
take minus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If nothing is given like this, velocity is with respect to what? Always take ground. Reference always take with
No.
respect to ground. If nothing is written, always, if no frame is given, always take ground. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So I will stop this and we will discuss in the next meeting. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Little bit tricky, but it is very important.
Yes, sir. Language only, sir.
Okay, okay. You like physics very much nowadays.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worry. Just enjoy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Later, like you will understand everything.
I'm actually understanding everything you're telling, sir.
Slowly, you will understand actually everything. I think in Velamal also, I maybe in your class I teach or not, but in most of the section I teach this because I know the foundation I got needs to be taught. They people don't know like vector, trigonometry, these things very important. And at that time
Yes,
I teach those topics. but they don't take serious. Nobody takes serious. And because
Yes,
of
sir.
that, like in class 10th, nowadays they are facing problem. Maybe because in light, you are lucky like you are here, but those who are there, they don't know. They won't understand light chapter. The person who is teaching even that doesn't know like.
Yes, sir.
To the frank, I am telling because without vector we can't teach light. But for your
Really?
basics, yeah, without vector we can't teach physics. Your basics are very strong. That is why you are capable to digest. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So have a good
Thank
night,
you.
and tomorrow I will discuss spherical mirror.
Yes, sir.
So go and revise. Your homework is this is a question. Your homework. Write one more homework. Write the write the application. Write the application of plane mirror. This is your homework. Clear? So I think meeting will be ended. Clear? Now I will pack my bag. I will go home. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.